Let's fix your CarPlay if it's not working with your iPhone. Now, the first thing I would recommend doing is going into your settings. So navigate to your settings here on your iPhone. We're going to do everything on the iPhone because a lot of times it's an issue with your phone itself. Now on here, the first thing we will do is try just toggling airplane mode on and wait for a few seconds. This disconnects from Wi-Fi and Bluetooth and disconnects from your car. And then just turn that off and then check after that. The next thing that we'll check is a VPN. So let's scroll down and you'll be able to see general here. Once you find that, just tap on general. And then just scroll down to the very bottom. And once you find VPN and device management, just tap on that. Now, if you have a VPN turned on, this could cause issues with your phone connecting to that car. So just disable VPN at least for right now while we troubleshoot these issues. Now, after we've done that, we're also going to check something in the accessibility section. So go back to the very beginning of your settings here, and we're going to scroll down and find accessibility right under general. When you find that, just tap on it. And then let's scroll down towards the bottom here, and you're looking for vocal shortcuts right under personal voice. When you find that, just tap on it and toggle this off. You don't want vocal shortcuts. A lot of times this messes up or just causes issues with your phone connecting to Bluetooth. Now, after we've done that, we're going to go back to the very beginning again. So now we're at the beginning of our settings here. We've reset a lot of stuff, but now we need to tap on Bluetooth there right under Wi-Fi. When you tap on that, you'll be able to see under My Devices is your CarPlay car. In my case, Grenadier here. So I'm going to tap the little I right next to it. And now the first thing I would recommend doing is just hitting forget this device and forget the device. I don't necessarily want to do that because mine isn't broken, but just tap on forget the device here on your car and then go through the process of adding it again. Now, after you've done that, after you've added everything, if it still doesn't work, the next thing we're going to do is tap on general here under battery. And then we're going to tap on software update. Just some good troubleshooting steps. If you're ever running into issues with your phone, just update the software if you can, if there's an option to do so. And then if there's not, you can also just go back to the very bottom of your general and hit the shutdown button. You'd be surprised how many times just doing a software update and shutting down your phone and restarting it fixes a lot of issues. You might also want to do that with your car as well. So just turn them both off, turn them both back on, and see if it reconnects and that CarPlay works. Now, the last thing you can do on your phone if those still don't work is tap on the transfer or reset iPhone here. Don't worry, we're not going to erase all of your content. We're just going to hit the reset button and we're going to hit the reset network settings. This will reset everything associated with your phone connecting to various networks, including your car's Bluetooth network to initiate that CarPlay. So just hit the reset network settings. This will by default refresh everything, reconnect it to your car, and it should be working at that point.